Ki Param Shanti. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Desrat Bhai Patel. Bapuji is explaining about Supreme Kalki Avatar. Param Shanti. In coming days, divine knowledge will spread all around in the atmosphere. People will run after knowledge because they can survive only with the help of knowledge. It's divine supreme knowledge. No one can find that supreme knowledge in any books. It's very pure knowledge. It's absolute pure and holy knowledge. Infinite supreme knowledge. In coming days, every soul will listen this knowledge may through internet or TV. In near future, only knowledge will spread in the atmosphere. People will run after knowledge and slowly dives in ocean of knowledge. That who am I? Where did I came? For what? Do I came from galaxy or solar system or great universe or multiverse? Which category soul am I? They thinks and tries to find out with the help of knowledge. Knowledge is identity. One can understand about oneself, that is about soul, about supreme soul, and about infinite supreme soul, and about Almighty only through knowledge. Every soul can judge itself only with the help of knowledge. How much knowledge do one can digest? If soul is one celestial powered, then it can understand up to solar system. Generally, one can understand up to multiverse, solar system, universe and multiverse, or general subject. Those who are educated and intellectual, they can understand up to universe. Even if they are able to understand up to universe, but they may have celestial powered souls. Those souls may undergo salvation also. Slowly, everyone becomes knowledgeful and they possess knowledge in their life and experiences soul conscious. They spread supreme peace vibration. Everyone comes to know that if we want peace, we have to think and chant supreme peace. That too by staying in soul conscious. Everywhere, all around, may in subtle world or gross world, may subtle souls or gross souls or incorporeal souls, everyone thinks supreme peace. Then slowly, souls attains supreme peace. On having supreme peace, soul fills with satisfaction and becomes desireless and detached because it was filled with knowledge. Time will already makes the soul nastomo, means detached. Now time became teacher and teacher has a stick in his hand. I already told you about this in my previous video that time becomes your teacher and it will have a stick in its hand. Then which type of stick it is? It's knowledge. Everyone will enforced to listen the knowledge. Sword of knowledge will works. It changes destructive wit and fills with supreme knowledge. Everyone's mind and intellect fills with supreme knowledge. They persuade the knowledge in their life and spreads supreme peace vibrations. The destructive souls who had thought about destruction until today, they feel remorse. You find two types of atmospheres. One side wailing and one side cheerfulness. Destructive one who did destructive thoughts since many years, they didn't listen to infinite latent fathers of infinite children. In Vanis also it was said that become soul conscious. Your soul is with white supreme light and body also light and everywhere all around see only light. Complete earth was filled with light, only light. But they didn't. They can't able to understand the supreme knowledge. When knowledge on spreading all around, supreme peace spreads. Then supreme peace vibrations touches them. Then they comes to know about supreme peace and divine supreme knowledge of transformation. Knowledge of infinite universal transformation touches them. Then they have tears of remorse. In Vani it was said that those who didn't realize infinite Father by the knowledge, they will cry out of tears of blood. Here, the Father of infinite means Kalki Avatar, who devotees describes with white horse. It's about horse of mind, mind of wisdom. He has supreme peace and supreme knowledge in his mind. He gives supreme peace and happiness to all. He makes everyone to experience soul consciousness. He makes people knowledgeful. Then all around, people spread supreme peace vibration and experience supreme happiness. Then slowly, five elemental world means mortal world turns to immortal. While souls on having knowledge and experiencing soul consciousness, these five simple elements converts to supreme elements. Slowly, infinite peace fills in their subtle body, causal body, supracausal body, supreme supracausal body. Mind becomes peaceful. They have supreme knowledge in their intellect and experiences supreme peace. Nastoma Smriti Labdha means when you become detached with your intellect, then it starts to experience soul consciousness. It starts to think that which category soul do I belongs to? Which celestial soul am I? Slowly, every soul turns to gross to subtle form. Slowly, five elemental world converts to supreme elements and people experiences supreme happiness, supreme peace and soul consciousness. Then along with supreme peace, supreme light spreads all around in the atmosphere. First, atmosphere will turn to supreme elements with supreme air, supreme ether and supreme fire. Slowly, people becomes peaceful and whole world will run for peace. They forgets even the word of destruction. Destructive people also thinks about supreme peace. Slowly, everyone experiences peace of mind. Param Shanti.